Talking to me, man? You better watch your beak. I might have to go buck wild on your ass. Hell yeah. And you too. Are you talking to me, motherfucker? Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Yeah, baby. Do it. Do it, nigga. What? What? Oh shit. Round 2. Oh man. Someone woke up on the wrong side of the stick. That's right. You sure did, Vato. Can I get a hell yeah? Talk to me. I said, talk to me. Oh, show him the moves. Show him the skills. Oh. Something about you, baby. I don't know what it is. But I think it's love at first sight, if you know what I'm saying.